Hello, my name is Mattea. I'm a test engineer here at the KNX test lab. Today, in our new format Apricum Talk, I will host KNX expert and smart home coach Mr. Lausch. He's going to ask me a few questions about Apricum products. In this particular video, we will talk about Apricum product range line coupler. Welcome, Mr. Lausch.
Hello, Mattea. So I've already ordered an MACIP. The device was delivered, and let's unpack it. Mattea, what specifics can you tell me about this coupler?
Here we have our most in-demand product from the product range of couplers, MACIP. In this product, two logical devices are combined in one physical device. The first logical part is a routing device, similar to the very well-known internet routers that are connecting our homes to the internet providers. In our case, we connect a KNX main line that is using Ethernet IP with the KNX NetIP protocol to the KNX twisted pair subline. The second logical device is one independent direct connection to a subline for ETS or visualization, also called SCADA. This is realized with the tunneling protocol to the segment of the subline on the twisted pair. So KNX NetIP routing and tunneling protocols are supported. The attempt of configuring mainline from the subline can be blocked.
This is a very important security feature for preventing access of the devices in the main line. What indicators exist on the device and what other options are configurable?
Our MACIP is designed to enable configuration, visualization, and protocol diagnosis, which is basically communication during installation and the commissioning phase. It is performed by the second part, which is identical to the KNX IP interface. This first logic device, the routing part, connects primary group communication between the main line and the subline. In this routing, the configurable filter table is performing an essential part in reducing unwanted traffic. Also, device-oriented communication is handled here. For convenience and in case of errors, it is possible to switch off filtering. This is, for example, useful for debugging installations when you need to see the traffic on sublines or other segments. We support telegrams with up to 240 bytes APDU. This enables usage on installation where we want to achieve fast downloads. And another important parameter is enabling immediate confirmation on own messages. This prevents unnecessary repetitions in case there is nobody sending an immediate ACK. Such repetitions can overload the bus traffic. With this parameter switched on, unnecessary repetitions are suppressed. MACIP is also visible in a browser with a practical front-end showing current settings, giving the possibility to activate program mode remotely and tracking bus load. On top of that, an integrated bootloader enables remote firmware update via Ethernet IP.
Okay, the device is suitable for 35mm DIN rails, right, in a distribution box. How about the power supply for such a complex and performant device?
Our device is completely supplied from the KNX TP bus line and does not require any additional voltage supply. The Ethernet network is connected via standard RJ45 connector and the twisted pair side is connected via standard Vago connector.
So, to sum up, what are the benefits of the MACIP?
KNX NetIP routing and tunneling protocol are supported with 4 tunneling connections. We support long telegrams. The power supply is via KNX TP line. It has a low power consumption. There is a web front end for status and diagnostics, and firmware update via bootloader is remotely possible. Various routing filter for group and individual telegrams. Various ACK and repetition settings. Temporary disabling of routing filter via configurable button, possible blocking of configuration upper line from the subline, and multicolored LED show the status information, and there is as well integrated ACK generator.
Okay, as a KNX professional and smart home coach, I see a lot of different areas of applications for this device.
In this coupler product range, as MAC device, we also offer MACTP. It is coupling TP to TP line, so twisted pair to twisted pair. We also have MAC-RF. It is coupling twisted pair with RF radio frequency, here via wireless technology.
Good to know. This simplifies subsequent KNX planning of already existing buildings which already have KNX installation. And in this case, KNX RF could also be considered as an additional option. Thank you very much, Mattia. So now remains KNX planning for me. Let's do it.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Lausch. I wish you a lot of fun with KNX planning, and it was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you very much.